Prepare to transcend the physical plane and align your frequency with the infinite wisdom of the stars. In this guided activation, we will open a celestial gateway to expand your consciousness and anchor higher realm energies into your current reality. Find a comfortable position, ideally lying down or sitting with a tall, straight spine. Close your eyes. Take a deep, intentional breath in through the nose. And exhale with a soft sigh through the mouth. Imagine roots of golden light extending from the base of your spine, anchoring you deep into the heart of the earth. You are safe. You are held. As you feel the stability of the earth beneath you, notice a soft indigo light beginning to swirl around your crown chakra. With every breath, the room around you begins to fade, replaced by the vast, velvet stillness of the deep cosmos. Visualize yourself floating effortlessly through a sea of stars. Ahead of you, a magnificent geometric structure begins to form. A portal of shimmering iridescent light, spinning in perfect sacred geometry. This is the cosmic portal, a bridge between the physical and the ethereal. As you move closer, feel the vibration of this gateway. It hums with a frequency of pure, unconditional love and ancient knowledge. Notice the colors: vivid violets, electric blues, and flashes of crystalline white. On your next inhale, step forward. Feel the boundary of the portal ripple like water as you pass through. You are now standing in a higher realm of light. The air here feels thick with peace. Look up and see great central sun pouring liquid gold down upon you. This light enters through your crown, washing through every cell, every strand of DNA, and every layer of your energetic field. In this space, time does not exist. You are a being of pure frequency. If there is a message you need to receive or a vision for your path, allow it to surface now in the silence. Feel yourself expanding, growing lighter, until you are one with the celestial tapestry. It's time to bring this higher frequency back into your physical body. Slowly begin to drift back through the geometric portal, carrying the crystalline light with you. Feel the weight of your body returning to the chair or floor. Wiggle your fingers and toes. As you ground back into the present moment, know that the portal remains open within your heart. You are a bridge between heaven and earth. When you are ready, gently open your eyes.